Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to talk with you on a very important book, that is UGC NET and SET English Literature. It has IMP facts and expected questions which are widely asked in the past exams also, and which are focused more by the paper setters. So this book is going to be very useful for the aspirants of UGC NET and SET exam, as well as other exams which are taken in English literature subject. So let's dive into this. What does this book include? So it has a detailed content which include that chronological order of periods of English literature. So important data only I have included in this book regarding this first point. Then types of drama, important dramas written in the history of English literature, as well as university wits, forms of poetry, literary group of poets, Shakespeare and his works, Ben Jonson and his works, major works in literary criticism, cultural studies, types of criticism, major literary terms in English literature, literary theories, literary movements, periodical essays, poet laureateship, confusing titles, figures of speech, English language teaching, abbreviations in ELT, most expected MCQs with explanations, and one-liners for practice. Additionally, I have added MCQs on research method, communication, teaching aptitude, and higher education. So this book is nothing but the detailed book on the expected questions and topics, which may help a lot to the aspirants. So in detail, if I talk about, so what to prepare is also guided here in this book. Only the major topics and major questions are put in this book for the purpose of reading and preparation of the aspirants. You can see here I have divided, or I can say classified, the important topics among the different units of syllabus. Okay, unit 1 drama, then poetry, you can see here, then unit 3 fiction and short story, then literary groups and movements from unit 1 to 4. So here in unit 1 to 4, the English literature units include these groups and movements so far happened in the history of English literature. So that small and brief detail is also given regarding these groups and movements in this particular book. You can see a lot of groups are there, a lot of movements are there. Then unit number 5 is there regarding language and its basic concepts. Then English in India, history, evolution and futures. Then cultural studies, you can see here. Then friends, unit number 8, literary criticism. So major ideas of literary criticism, major critics are there. Then unit number 9, literary theory, post World War II. And last one, that is regarding research methodology in English literature. So particularly in this book, I have tried to include only the necessary details which can be asked in the future examinations, okay, and which are focused more in the past examinations by the paper setters. That is what we have seen in the last 4 years. Okay, so if you want this book, please register your copy immediately. First 100 registrations will get a special discount, and that special discount will be given to you on the delivery of the book. So do it fast, friends. Register your copy just now, by today. And you can follow us on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, and Twitter as well. So just be in touch with us to get regular updates on UGC NET and SET English Literature examinations. Thank you very much.